Summertime in India is all about staying cool and feeling light. What better way to do that than with a refreshing salad? Salads are quick to make. They are packed with nutrients to keep you energized. Plus, they use the freshest ingredients available, capturing the vibrancy of the season. Nothing beats the heat like a bowl full of crunchy, juicy vegetables. Let's dive into a simple and delicious salad recipe that's perfect for hot summer days. This is a recipe so easy, anyone can make it. For this salad, we're focusing on simplicity and taste. We believe that the best salads are made with the freshest ingredients, and that's exactly what we're using today. We are using just a handful of ingredients, each chosen for its freshness and health benefits. Here's what we need. Tomatoes, 2, chopped. Tomatoes are a staple in many salads and for good reason. Juicy and red, tomatoes are full of vitamins and bursting with flavor. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which is known for its health benefits. They add a lovely sweetness to the salad. Next, we have cucumber, 1, sliced. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and low in calories, making them a perfect addition to any salad. Cool as a cucumber, this vegetable is perfect for summer. Its high water content helps keep you hydrated, and it adds a refreshing crunch to our salad. It's hydrating and adds a refreshing crunch. Onion, half, thinly sliced. Onions add a bit of sharpness and depth to the salad, balancing the other flavors beautifully. A little bit of onion adds a sharp zing to our salad, balancing the sweetness of the tomatoes. Onions are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Coriander leaves, a handful, chopped. Coriander, also known as cilantro, adds a unique flavor and a burst of freshness to our salad. Fresh coriander adds a wonderful aroma and a burst of color to our salad. Finally, we have lemon, half, juiced. Lemon juice not only adds a tangy flavor, but also helps to enhance the other flavors in the salad. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens up all the flavors and adds a citrusy kick. And there you have it, a simple yet delicious salad made with fresh, healthy ingredients. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. This salad is so easy to make, you'll be enjoying it in minutes. First, wash all our vegetables thoroughly under running water. This ensures they are clean and ready to eat. Chop the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Slice the cucumber thinly. Thinly slice the onion as well. Take a big bowl and add the chopped tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and onions. Sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves over the vegetables. Our salad is almost ready. Section 4. Drizzle and devour, finishing touches. The final step is adding the finishing touch. This is where your salad truly comes to life, transforming from a simple mix of ingredients into a vibrant, flavorful dish. It's what brings all the flavors together, creating a harmonious blend that excites your taste buds with every bite. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the salad. This simple step adds a refreshing tanginess that elevates the overall taste. The lemon juice adds a zesty punch and brings out the taste of all the vegetables. It's like a burst of sunshine in every bite. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper if you like, but it's delicious as it is. The seasoning enhances the natural flavors without overpowering them. Gently toss the salad to make sure the lemon juice and coriander are mixed well. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Your salad is ready. You can enjoy it immediately. The freshness and vibrant flavors make it a perfect dish for any occasion. It's that simple and quick to make. In just a few minutes, you have a delicious, healthy salad ready to be devoured. Section 5. Salad in your life. Healthy habits made easy. This salad is not just delicious, it's also incredibly healthy. It's a perfect blend of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds satisfied and your body nourished. It's packed with vitamins and minerals from the fresh vegetables. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to provide maximum nutrition and taste. It's light on the stomach, making it perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. You won't feel weighed down, but you'll feel full and satisfied. You can easily make this salad a part of your daily routine. With just a few simple steps, you can have a nutritious meal ready in no time. It's a great way to include more fresh vegetables in your diet. The more colorful your salad, the more nutrients you're getting. It's so easy and quick to make, you can whip it up anytime. Whether you're in a rush or just want something simple, this salad is the answer. So go ahead, enjoy this simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious summer salad. It's a small step towards a healthier lifestyle that you can start today.